I want to make stand for magnetic charger and mount it to bedside table. So I'll start with simple sketch on XZ plane and use polyline to draw a simple shape. Some constraints are redundant and some are missing. I want to make the stand to slide in. So on table, 33mm thick deck, and I'll use 32.95mm width between hook sides, and thickness of stand is going to be 3mm. And load for charger is going to be at angle of 135 degree. And these lines should be at 90 degree. Same as this. So I'll make these two lines parallel. And thickness should be 8mm. Hook should be 20mm deep. And these points should be constrained horizontally. Slot is going to be 33mm wide. Now you can close and use pad with symmetric to plane checkbox and make it 33mm wide. Now we need to create slot for charger, create sketch on this surface, and start drawing with circle. Diameter is not important because I'm going to use hole tool. The only thing I need is to use external geometry to mark edge and create dimension between edge and circle, 1.5mm. And we need to create hole with 29.29 millimeters and 6.71mm depth with flat drill point. Now we need create a slot for wire So we start with sketch and draw rectangle. Rectangle should have same length as stand. So I'll create external geometry from this edge and make them equal. I need to remove this constraint because it's redundant and select these points and then origin, make symmetric position. Slot should be 15 mm wide. Now we can close and use pocket to carve slot with 10 mm depth. And as last step, we need to smooth some edges, and we start with side surfaces and add fillet with 1 mm radius. On slot for charger, we create 0.5 mm radius fillet. On front surfaces, we use 0.5 mm radius, and on top surface, same value. Now we're done, and this model can be exported for printing. Thanks for watching.